Hi, it's Ollie from GetGeek, and today I'm doing a video on what copy trading is. Now, this is something offered on the Etoro platform, which I use it for, seeing as my own trading isn't that brilliant. So basically, I use it to place my trades. So let's explain what it is, basically. So basically, it enables you to automatically copy positions that are opened and managed by other people, and it'll link a portion of the copying trader's funds to the account of the copied investor. Pardon me. And then any trading made by the copied investor, for example, opening or closing a position, assigning a stop loss and take profit, are also executed in the copying trader's account according to the proportion between the copied investor's account and the copying trader's allotted copy trading funds. So usually you can also override and close positions yourself and close out of the copy relationship. Now, yeah, I've done this sometimes myself because I don't agree with trades that someone who I'm copying has placed and their outlook, so I have overridden them and close out their trades manually myself. Now, please note some of the platforms may vary, so this is just a kind of general idea of what copy trading is. So that third point there, I'll explain that a bit further on the next slide because it's a bit of a heavy sentence. That. So, for example, say there's a trader that you see and they have $100,000 invested. Now, you won't be able to tell this on eToro. I don't know if you can on other platforms. Say, for example, you copy them with $1,000. Now, if they open a trade for $10,000, that's 10% of their portfolio. Now, I know these numbers are big and rounded, and the chance of someone actually investing 10 grand in one trade is very, very slim. But that 10% of their $100,000 would mean that you would then open a trade for $100. So yeah, that's just the basics of it. Now, some notes to make. Some platforms have a minimum trade amount. So if you don't copy someone with enough cash, you may not copy all of their trades that they place. And also, when you're opening trades on eToro, you have the option to copy open trades. Now, let's show this in action, actually. And we can come back to that in a second. So say, for example, this is my virtual account, so none of this money's actually real. So if I look at this guy here, now I actually copy him in my real portfolio. Now, he's saying here, if you're planning to copy, please have a time frame of 6 months or more, and please do copy over open trades, as I'm a long-term investor and it would yield better results over time. As a general copy amount, minimum amounts you should copy with me should be $900+, so that all your trades can initiate properly, or else you will miss a bunch of my trades, since eToro's minimum copy trade amount is $1. So he's saying there that the minimum you should do is $900. So say, for example, if I come in here and I'm going to put in 1,000, now I'm going to leave this stop loss at 60%. Now, he does say copy open trades, but I tend to not do this. Now, this is completely up to yourself what you want to do here. And the reason for that is, for example, say that guy there had bought one of his trades, I don't know, last week, and it was at $10 last week. It's now, the price was $10. It's now worth at $15. Now, if you copy the open trade at $15, it could, he's in profit because it's gone up $5. Now, if I copy at this point where it's $15, it could go back down to $12, and I'm now at a loss, but this guy is still at a profit. So then he may close out this trade, and then I'm just negative on the outcome of that trade, whereas he's still in positive. Now, he's probably suggesting there to do this, to copy open trades, because he's saying he copy for a long time. So, I mean, maybe his outlook is that he'll keep the trades open for a very long time anyway, and then he always expects to see them going up anyway. So what's it say? Yeah, so he's saying he holds, average holding time is 1 month for this guy. So that could be why. But then a negative of that is if you don't copy the open trades, it may take you a while to end up with the exact same portfolio as what that guy or person that you copy has. And I noticed this probably like last year when someone didn't do that many trades a week or a month, and so the guy kept the positions open for ages, so I wasn't really getting anywhere with them. So this is why some of the people say you've got to copy them for a while. If we go back to here, if we go copy here, and then we're going to say $1,000 here, we'll leave it at 60%. And for the sake of this, I am going to copy the open trades, because otherwise you'll just, actually let's do both. So if we open the copy trades here, then we now go into here, and where is he? Right, so there you go. You can see right now, because I've not copied the open trades, it's just an empty portfolio right there. But if we close out of this, and then we go in here, and now I'm going to go copy, and I'm going to say copy open trades with $1,000, and then if we do that, copy. Now the only thing with this is it's a bank holidays today, so I don't actually know if the markets are open in America. But I'm guessing they are open somewhere, because prices are changing and going up and down. So yeah, it must just be in the UK that things are shut today. I'm presuming anyway. Maybe they are open in the UK and I just don't know it. So there you go, and then you can see it has copied all of my trades to a proportion of what he's invested. So there you go. So all the trades have opened at that one price, which is, whereas when he's opened them, they will have opened at different prices. So I don't know if we can do this, but let's take a look. So if we look at his portfolio, and we're looking at that JMIA, so you can see there he's opened at 6.24, 6.24, 5.74 and 6 as the price, whereas now my open price is 3 for all of them, which, I mean, is a cheaper price. So, I mean, it's not all bad, but I suppose that's where we lie at the moment, because he opened them in January, February of this year, which is before the coronavirus started happening. So now all the stocks have generally gone down in price. So yeah, it's completely up to you at the end of the day whether you want to copy open trades, but I'll leave that one to you. Also, please note that platforms may vary, so always do your own research, especially when you're investing in financial products, and check that it is what you want to. And then please note as well that capital can be lost on platforms like this, so only invest what you're willing to potentially lose, as prices can go down. Also, if you haven't signed up to Etoro and are thinking of signing up, then there's an affiliate link below this video where I will get a kickback if you sign up using that, so that always helps this channel. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below what you enjoyed about it, and whether you'd like to see other help tutorial videos on other finance things, or even coding things. Well, just any videos, just let me know what you want to see in the comments, and then we'll see what we can do about that. And if you really like these videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's been Ollie from Get Geek. Thanks, bye.